Uhoro uyu uheanitwo ni mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya kigina bururi-ini Cyril Odede akiuga thirikari yoete ikinya riri niguo kurehe utheri wa kweheria ungumania thiini wa uruti wayo wa wira. Akiaria thukuru-ini wa kothi cia moko wa Nyeri National Polytechnic kuria auma na gikaro na anyititemi matiganite, Odede augite ona thengia ya thirikari cia kaunti kumatwara igoti-ini makiregana na mutaratara uyu, kaunti ta Busia ni marikitie kwiyukia mubango uyu.
Almost 90% of the state departments have already published their annual procurement plans. Counties, I've seen quite a number of them have published their procurement plans, meaning that they are now able to procure. The system is working 100%. If you log in to EGP today and click tender awards, you will see all the tenders in this world. You will see all the APPs, annual procurement plans published. They are all there. And what we are saying as a government, we are not forcing anybody to use EGP, but if you want to do business with government, do it electronically.
Hamwe na uguo, Odede augite gutire na ihinga macemanite nacio kuria thirikari ingi cia kaunti iria iyukitie mubango uyu, kuona uyu niguo muoroto wa thirikari. Kiributira Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, njitagwo Wahu wa Ngugi.